Here at eMaint, a Fluke Reliability company, we're experts at CMMS and EAM implementation. We know getting started with a CMMS can be a challenge, and so we simplify the process while charting you to a course to a true ROI. We begin with planning. Our team builds a personalized roadmap for each customer and schedules weekly progress meetings. We'll then import your data, analyze how your MRO team works, and configure an eMaint account tailored to your needs. After testing out your account, you can schedule on-site or remote training to get you up and running, or use our eMaint University web tool to learn more. You're then ready to go live, but eMaint customer care doesn't stop there. Every customer is assigned a Customer Success Manager, your dedicated CMMS champion, whose goal is to make sure you see a powerful ROI with eMaint. Here at eMaint, we don't just hand you the software, we embark on a journey together that begins with implementation and ends with stronger uptime, OEE, and business success.